Gina with WTI, and whether you're a beginner or a professional hair cutter and you're looking for the secret to perfectly faded hair, then you need to use these professional thinning shears that I got from YASAKA. I've been cutting my husband's hair for about 7 years, and he suddenly decided he wanted a different style haircut that was totally new to me, and it required a lot of fading. These shears have been the key to taking off the weight and making the transition from short to long look good and actually flattering. These are so comfortable to use. They fit perfectly in my hand. They don't tug on the hair when you're cutting. It's just a really quick, very sharp cut so that you're getting optimal results. I even felt confident enough to be able to trim my own hair, and I'm pleased with the results. You're going to want to follow the manufacturer's instructions to maintain these so that you always get that perfect haircut. So it comes with a soft cloth in order to clean it, and then there's some instructions on oiling as well that you'll want to follow. So I got the 6-inch shears that have an ultra convex, extra sharp blade, and these are made with cobalt alloy stainless steel, so they could really last a lifetime with proper care. You're just going to love the quality of these scissors. You cannot go wrong with a pair from YASAKA, and that's my point of view.